In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Threads. Threads is Meta's text-based social platform, and it's closely connected to Instagram. If you've used other microblogging apps before, the layout and overall idea will probably feel familiar. It's designed for sharing short, written updates, joining conversations, and interacting with posts from other people in a fast, simple way. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to get into Threads, create your first post, and start engaging with content in your feed. To get started, open Chrome on your computer and go to threads.net. Once the site loads, log in using your Instagram account. Since Threads is linked directly to Instagram, that connection is what gives you access. If you're already signed into Instagram in your browser, this part may feel very quick. If not, just enter your Instagram login details on the official sign-in page and continue until you reach the main Threads interface. After you're in, take a moment to look around so you can get comfortable with the layout. When you're ready to make your first post, look for the option that says Start a Thread. Click it, and a text box will open where you can type whatever you want to share. This could be a quick thought, an update, a reaction, or the beginning of a conversation. Keep your message clear and easy to read, especially if you want other people to respond. Once you've typed your post, review it briefly to make sure it says what you want, then click Post to publish it. After that, your thread will appear on your profile and may also show up in other people's feeds. Now let's talk about interacting with posts from others. As you scroll through your feed, you'll see a few common icons underneath each post. If you want to show appreciation or support, click the heart icon to like the post. If you want to respond directly, click the speech bubble to reply and add your own comment to the conversation. And if you want to share someone else's post more widely, click the arrows icon to repost it. These basic actions are how you participate on Threads and connect with what other people are saying. That's the core of using Threads. Log in through Instagram, create a thread, and interact with posts in your feed. Once you practice these basics a few times, the platform becomes very easy to use and navigate.